Hey everyone, this is James with Freedom Rental Properties, and we're back for another video of the 7K duplex, and we are getting down to the wire. There won't be too many more of these videos because we're getting right to the end. We're having flooring coming in and installing tomorrow. We actually have it available here, sitting, ready to go. And you can see our famous wall, J-Rock's crew, painted, ready to go. Got our beadboard coming in, swinging around. This is the living room. No, big difference. Going in the hallway here. First bedroom. This is gonna look great when we get this flooring in. Can't wait to show you guys the difference. So we got door hardware, nice and silver, hate brass, you know, walking around. We're getting down there to the wire, getting just a few little touch-up things in flooring, and we are done. Going into the kitchen space, there's those nice cabinets. Hardware, just simple little pools. We got appliances we have to put in yet. So wait until flooring comes in. We got toe kicks we gotta put down here. Also waiting on the flooring. There's our nice little water heater space. You know, we did have this built up all the way to the ceiling, made the kitchen look small, took it back down, started over again, but the hot water heater is in here. You can get to it. It's a 38-gallon fat boy. It's a little weird to put it in here the way that we have it, but to maximize space, get plumbing off this back wall. If you all remember, exposure to water things, we wanted to have all the plumbing lines all on this wall. That was the best solution, I thought. Fridge is gonna go here, and that gives you a little bit of room there for nice little breakfast table, two-seater, something like that. Here's our washer dryer hookups. We're gonna have to have stackables here. Also, another thing we did to save a little bit of space, make it feel a little bit bigger because we didn't have a lot of room to work with. New panel box, I think showed you that. Going in the kitchen, or excuse me, not the kitchen, the bathroom. And we got new vanity here. It's small, hey. What's up, toilet? And then our shower, like we were saying before. We got the trailer, mobile home size. You actually can't notice, it seems pretty normal anyway. Got a nice little shower surround, one piece. You know that's in. Okay, so we're on the left side. Everybody remembers J-Rock's crew. And we're gonna go to the other side. Now this is late. It's probably gonna get dark when I go out here. But I do wanna show you, if we can. We're going out the front. All right. Now, one of the problems that I didn't like about the place is that it felt like it wasn't safe coming out here if the stairs were icy. You can see that. Don't know if you can. If you can't, we got a black handrail. I'll show you in another video. Patching some of these cracks. Now we're on to the other side. Handrail there. Can't see it. I'll show you in another video. We only got a few more left. Anyway, going on this other side, and we're in the living room. Very similar. A little bit of plank over here. Now, looking good. Way better than what it was. You know, we're gonna have all the flooring throughout. Same flooring. First bedroom, nice and clean. Same hardware. Second bedroom. Nice and clean, same hardware as well. Everything's the same on both sides for the most part. Kitchen area, cabinets, a lot of cabinet space I think for a rental. You know, small 2-bedroom, 1 bath. Still got a lot of cabinet space. I love these guys. These are great. The little lazy Susans maximize your corner space and still need stove. Same deal, hot water heater here. This one actually kind of slides out as opposed to the other one that was a little more built in. We didn't have quite the same amount of wall space in the way that it worked out on the other side. I know it's a little weird, but that's just how it worked out. Anyway, if you need to get to this one, instead of unscrewing, you just slide it. New panel box, light, washer dryer space, stackable, and then our bathroom. Looking great. So that's basically it. And I cannot wait to show you all the flooring in because it's gonna look just that much more finished. And we're getting right close to the end. We're actually thinking about staging this rental, so comment down below if you've ever done staging for a rental before. This would be our first time trying it, and we're pretty excited. We're gonna see how it goes. It might not work out. You know, we're definitely gonna let you know in the videos, and we're gonna try to set up an open house date as well and have people in, see what they think. And this has been a big project coming along, or I can't believe it. You know, it's really turned around, and that's what it's all about, is trying to save this property. And you know, hopefully at the end of the day it'll be a great cash flower for us, and when we get our refinance out, it'll be that much better. So hope everybody enjoyed this video. Check out our other videos. Also check out 7K duplex project if you haven't seen these other videos, because we are getting down to the wire, and I would really like everyone to see the transformation this has made from beginning to the end that we're almost at. And that that door is creepy. If you can hear it swinging open, we gotta get a close for it. But as it swings with the wind, very scary. But anyway, it's fine right now. Can't wait flooring coming in. So like, subscribe this video if you like it. We'll try to do some more. This is Jim with Freedom Rental Properties. See you later.